Hi guys, I dug out my old FPV gear so that we could put it on top of the MiBro robot, and then I found I'd got these which you plug into your smartphone so you can receive the signal from the FPV camera. So this little session I've actually recorded using my Huawei phone, which I use when I want to load APK files or apps that I don't necessarily trust. So that isn't linked to me in any way. It doesn't have my ID on it or anything. It's not linked to the Wi-Fi. So I downloaded the APK file and stuck it on there so that it actually works. On my previous phone, I did actually have the APK file on there, but on my new phone, I didn't want to put it on there. So that's what we will do, a quick little demonstration. My eldest grandson driving it around FPV and me recording it on here rather than on the FPV goggles. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.